Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see what is a correlation coefficient. So introduction. In data analysis, the correlation coefficient is a statistical measure that quantities the relationship between two variables. It provides variable instructions. It provides a variable insights into the how change in one variable as assigned with the changes in another variable. The correction coefficient value range between -1 and 1, where -1 indicates a perfect negative correction and 1 indicates the perfect positive correction and 0 indicates the no correlation. Calculation of correlate coefficient. To calculate the correlate coefficient persons between two values, we follow the following steps. Compute the means of the two variables, x mean of x and y mean of y. Calculate the deviation of each data point from the mean. For each data point in x, subtract the mean of x is equal to x minus x coefficient. For each data point in y, subtract the mean y relation y iota minus I square each deviation. Square each deviation obtained in step 2. X minus x iota square root 2 and y I minus y iota square root 2. Sum the square derivation. Sum all the square derivation obtained in step 3. Sum of x minus x square root 2 and sum of y minus y square root 2. Calculate the product of the derivation. For each data point, multiply the derivation of x by the deviation of y and x minus x y into iota. Sum the product of deviation. Sum all the product of deviation obtained in step 5. Deviation y minus x minus x into y minus y. Calculate the correction coefficient. Use the formula r is equal to sum y minus y, and you will see this this equation and read also. The resulting value are in the correlation coefficient with range between -1 and 1 quotients. The strength and the direction of the linear relationship between the two variables. The positive R indicate a positive correction and negative R indicates the negative correction, and R close the two indicates a weak or non-correction. Interpretation of correction coefficient. The correction coefficient can be interpreted as follow. If the correction coefficient is close to -1 or 1, it indicates the strong correlation between the two variables. If the correlation coefficient is close to 0, it indicates a weak or no correlation between the variable. Example, let's consider example to illustrate the calculation and interpretation of the correction coefficient. Suppose we want to analyze the relationship between the hour of study and the exam score of the group of students. So we collect the data of 10 students and obtain the following result. Student 1 hours of study 3, exam score 75. Student 2 for 5 hours study. And now using the given data, you will see this data, and now we will correlate each other.